For the roads in Africa, two things are important. Good tires, as we already have, but also the ground clearance and the springs of the tires. And today our springs are going to be replaced. These are the current tire springs. This is for the front tire and this is for the back. And the new springs are gonna increase the ground clearance with 5 centimeters. But also the springs are more stiff, so that we are prepared for the weight of the car, but also the bouncing, so that it will be comfortable but also safe. So that's what we're gonna do today. Enjoy! During my visit to Cobra Suspension, I had the honor to receive a tour in their factory. I was introduced to the magical world of car springs, from raw material to final product. As it was too loud in the factory to record sound properly, I will talk you through this part of the video. A reel with raw material of different diameters is used to make the spring. The spring is coiled in the right shape by heavy machinery. A spring design is based on, but not limited to, by the amount of coils, diameters, length and distance between the coils. I was amazed by the world behind designing and manufacturing a spring. After the material is coiled to a spring shape, the spring is put into an oven for a certain amount of time to take out the coiling tension in the material. If the spring needs a flat top, the spring is put in a big grinder. When the spring is back to room temperature, it will be put in a machine where it will be made ready for coating. This is done by blasting small metal grit onto the spring. After this process, the coating and painting starts, resulting in the final product. Depending on the type of spring, a certain percentage of the spring is tested. As you have seen before, these were the springs we had in the Skoda. These have been replaced by Cobra Suspension. And now these are the new ones. They have a different color, they're red. But also they are much more stiff and they increase the ground clearance with 5 centimeters. So we are very happy with those, thanks to Cobra Suspension.